Hello students, it's me Prakash Chauhan. Till now what we have completed the concentration terms normality. Okay, so normality is what? Number of equivalents present in per liter of the solution. And its formula is what? Formula what we have written there in our last class, that is what? W upon capital E into 1 upon V. Here we are using here the term equivalent mass. So equivalent mass is what? Molar mass of the substance divided by what? Valency factor, acidity or basicity. Okay, so this is the formula to find the equivalent mass. Okay. Now the second concentration term is what? Molarity. Molarity is what? Number of moles present in per liter of the solution. Number of moles present in per liter of the solution mean what? How many moles of the solute are present in that solution in 1 liter. That is called as what? Molarity. So on behalf of this definition I can make the formula, and this is what? Molarity is equal to number of moles divided by volume. And we know that moles is what? Gram quantity of the given substance or the compound divided by what? Molar mass. So this is the formula to find the number of moles. So on behalf of this, if I put the value of moles in this formula, then I will receive what? Molarity is equal to gram quantity divided by molar mass into 1 upon V. So this is the formula of molarity. And its unit will be what? Moles divided by volume. So its unit will be what? Mole per liter. So this is the molarity, and that was normality. If I ask you that what is the, sir, what do you mean by the valency factor? Valency factor is what? Number of moles of electrons exchanged during the reaction by per molecule. How many mole of electrons are exchanged? Mean what? Whether there is oxidation or reduction. How many moles there is gaining or losing of electron. That is called as valency factor. And it is always calculated for the per molecule of the substance. Okay. So I can write what? Number of moles exchanged during the reaction per molecule. This is always calculated for per molecule. Okay, my dear student. So this is what? Valency factor. And if anybody asks me that, sir, what do you mean by acidity and what is the basicity? Valency factor, number of moles exchange, number of moles of electron exchanged during the reaction, that is called as valency factor. Suppose that I am converting I minus into I2. So in this reaction, what is the valency factor? You know that there is -1 charge and here is 0. So -1 to 0. So there will be exchange of what? 1 electron. So its valency factor will be what? 1. Later on we will also discuss in detail that what is the valency factor. But I am telling you the meaning of the word valency factor is what? Acidity is what? Acidity mean water. Remember one thing, that the term acidity is not used for the acid. This is always used for the base. Acidity is what? Number of ionizable OH ion. And basicity is what? Number of ionizable H positive ion. Number of ionizable OH minus ion. If I ask you that, ki acidity is what? Number of ionizable OH ion is known as acidity, and basicity is what? Number of ionizable H plus ion. Okay. Suppose that HCl is on ionization is giving 1 mole of H positive ion. So its acidity is its basicity is what? 1. Or if I ask you that H2SO4, then on the ionization of H2SO4, this will provide us 2 mole of H plus ion. So this is what its basicity will be what? 2. Okay. So remember one thing, that acidity term is used for the base and basicity term is used for the acid. Okay. This was also included in your chapter acid base. Okay. So now the term third is what? Formality. Formality is what? Number of gram formula mass present in per liter of solution. So we always write the definition amount of solute present in different manner, whether that is the equivalent, moles and gram formula mass in per liter. So we are using here the term the number of gram formula mass present in the per liter of solution. So if I make the formula, formality will be what? Formality will be equal to, I can write like this, formality is equal to number of gram formula mass, number of gram formula mass divided by what? Volume. So this is the formula of formality like normality and molarity. And now I am replacing here the number of gram formula mass. Before moving to this, we should also know about the formula mass. Formula mass means what? The mass of the given formula of the substance. If you are given any kind of formula and you are going to calculate the mass of that substance of the formula, that will be called as formula mass. And remember one thing, that this term is used for the ionic compound. Ionic compound, we use there what? Formula mass. Suppose that NaCl is what? Ionic compound. We in general do not use their what? We do not use their molar mass, because sodium chloride is found as 4 sodium ion and 4 chloride ion in one unit cell. Mean what? Its actual formula of the sodium chloride is what? Its actual formula is what? Na4Cl4. But we are given as NaCl. So NaCl, sodium chloride, its formula of mass will be what? 23 plus 35.5 mu. And this is for the per molecule, and in grams that will be what? 58.5 gram. Okay. So what is the given formula? We are not given the Na4Cl4. We are given here what? NaCl. That's why we will use here what? Formula mass of the NaCl is what? 58.5. We cannot say that this is the molecular mass of the sodium chloride. No. Molecular mass mean what? The mass of molecule. And molar mass mean what? Mass of 1 mole of the exact formula. And here this is not the exact formula, because the exact formula of the sodium chloride is what? Na4Cl4, because in solid state you will study that there is 4 sodium ion and 4 chloride ion are present in one unit cell. So the actual formula is that this, but we are using there what? In general we use that what? NaCl. So the molar mass, the formula mass of the sodium chloride will be what? 58.5 mu for per molecule. And if I write here 58.5 gram, that is for per mole. Okay, per mole. So if I substitute the number of gram formula mass, this will be what? F is equal to small w upon what? Formula mass into 1 upon V. So this is representing what? Number of gram formula mass is what? W upon formula mass. And in place of formula mass will be what? This is what? W into 1 upon V. And in place of formula mass I can write here what? X into molar mass. X into molar mass. X is what? X is none other than number of associated units. Number of associated units. Mean what? How many units are associated in the formula. So in place of X we will write that how many molecules are associated. Okay. So X may be what? 1, 2, 3 like this and so on. So formality is what? Number of gram formula mass present in per liter of the solution. So this was all about related to the formality. Dear students, we have discussed here that these are the concentration terms which are temperature dependent. Why these are the temperature dependent? Because there is use of what? Volume. And you know that if we change the temperature of the solution, then there will be change in the volume, and that's why these are what? These are the temperature dependent units. So there is use of volume and what? This is again volume. And if I ask you the temperature independent unit, suppose that the room temperature is 25 degrees Celsius and my weight is 80 kg, and if I make the temperature as 15 degrees Celsius, then my weight becomes what? Will increase or decrease? No. there will be no change in the mass of my body. This will always remain constant. It means what? It means that there will be no change with respect to temperature in mass. In what? Mass is not affected by the change in temperature. So later on what we will discuss here, the another concentration terms, they are not affected by the temperature, because in those units we will use their what? Mass. Okay, now you can write here all the things which are given in the board. Okay, and now in the next class we will discuss here the next point. Okay, that's all. Thank you.